Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find Discord ID on app. So if at the end of the day you find this upfront informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to find Discord ID, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and open the Discord app on your phone. Go ahead and click on your profile. So you need to click on the profile button where you see you at the home page. Click on it. On your profile page, click on settings at the top right. Then under settings, you want to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to advanced and click on it. Now under advanced, you should say developer mode. Go ahead and turn on developer mode. Now go back to any chart and tap profile avatar or access your friend. Click on it. Once you click on that, you want to click on the three dots at the top right. Then you should see copy user ID. Go ahead and select that. Then you should say copy to clipboard and then you are good. Now you can now go ahead and paste the Discord user ID to wherever you want to paste it. And that's it. So that is exactly how to find Discord ID. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.